It's about to go down. They're going. Oh my gosh, look at all their planes. There's 1, 2, 3, 4,
Blue Angels only
5,
got like 4, don't they?
6, 7.
6. They got 8.
Are they just gonna take off like right away?
You'll be looking at them and they'll just disappear.
Sweet.
Oh, that's mad to the bone.
They'll go down there and turn around and they'll take off that way.
Yeah, but they have to do it like in 20-second intervals.
It's gonna be
How many is there, Steve?
bad.
Is it 8?
8.
8. It's gonna be awesome.
I just like hearing that sonic boom.
I do too.
There's gonna be a boom?
What you hear when they go by?
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
You'll
snap.
hear them and all of a sudden they'll be gone and they go.
That's what I'm saying. If you got a camcorder, put it on a camcorder so people can hear the noise. That way you can plug it into your headset